When you enter the viewer screen, the thumbnail of the connected camera phone will be seen. When it is operated as the normal connection, when selecting Thumbnail, the screen of the corresponding camera phone is displayed. Camera phones connected to the Davv 360 Smart Cradle show icon as the arrow, and the cradle rotates when the arrow is selected. Speed may vary depending on network conditions. It is possible to check and control camera phone by switching as the full screen. Switch screen. Possible to change the front and rear of the camera phone. Instant recording. Record up to 15 seconds immediately when selecting it. Motion recording, on or off. When motion is detected in the on status, it records for up to 15 seconds. When the viewer is connected, motion cannot be recorded even if motion is detected. Flash. Works with the rear camera. Night mode. Makes the screen more visible in dark environments. Arrow icon and rotation icon. Camera can be rotated at 350 degrees. When rotation icon is pressed while rotating the camera, by pressing and holding the arrow sign, it makes the rotation stop. Possible to check the recorded video in the recording list. It can be checked on Google Drive or Dropbox native application in Davv folder directly. Select menu icon at the top of the viewer to enter the camera settings. Camera settings shows the connected camera phone as a list. Preferences, change language, log out, exit viewer. Possible to set the privacy mode, motion detection mode, and camera removal on each selected camera phone in the viewer menu. Privacy mode. The mode that camera is turned off and video is not sent when the viewer and camera are connected to the same router. Normally, user is at the same space with camera phone. Motion detection mode. When any movement is detected, camera phone starts recording for 15 seconds and save at the Google Drive or Dropbox. Camera removal. Possible to delete a camera phone that is not in use. Up to 5 cameras can be connected to one account. If other viewer phones of the same account are connected while viewer phone is connected, the existing viewer phone will be disconnected.